Hi everyone, I'm Nikita. I'm responsible for marketing and product at Babel Tower. I studied humanities sciences but dropped, developed user acquisition strategies, buried two startups earlier, and I run a small marketing consulting business.
I'm Ilya. I studied applied mathematics, won prizes in ACM contest, have over 10 years of IT experience, designed high-load systems, lead machine learning projects, and dropped out from head of engineering position to join this team.
Hi, I'm Zach. I studied linguistics and psychology. About 5 years ago, I joined an online travel company where we all met. I've launched the B2B business line that today generates over 45% of company's operating profit. At Babel Tower, I do fundraising, distribution, and growth hacking.
We have built an artificial intelligence-based system that scans text and detects trolling, irony, lie, and a lot of other emotions. Our users will be able to protect themselves from trolls and highly customize their own comments feed. Yet we do zero censorship. Everyone is welcomed.
So, Babel Tower is a social space for smart talks, free of trolls and harassment, but open for all opinions possible.
Imagine you dive into a discussion thread about Trump and you filter out meaningless comments, comments from radical Republicans, trolls, kids, retired, and you leave only those who you are really interested in. You and no one else decide who is your company.
We perform aspect and sentiment analysis of comments, as well as comments and reply pairs, to build user preferences profile. Based on this dataset, we predict user affinity to other people and their reaction to particular comments. We suggest each user an individual set of ranking and filtering options.
And we know people need it.
Stats say that 27% of students experienced cyberbullying during the past month, and half of them deleted their social network accounts or minimized their activity.
We also know that 200 million of Americans leave and read comments about things that they're really interested in. People need public spaces for digital communication, and we're creating the best one.